Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to enable the Nylite or a comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll and find the display. Then scroll down again and localize the Nylite, and if you wish you can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher here, and you can see that the screen turns just a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. We can tap on this option to customize it, and first of all here we've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also schedule it, just tap on it, and we can either turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time and our device will apply the mode accordingly, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, or obviously none option, which is the manual option. So this is the customization of the Nylite, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those options here, and now we have to simply scroll or swipe to find the Nylite. All you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.